We're here in the Namib. We have a wonderful wet season, the first in many years, and when it's wet in the Namib, all kinds of wonderful animals is coming out. This particular one is quite interesting. It's a shimmering blue weevil. You can see quite massive. It was sent in the late 1960s to a specialist at the Natural History Museum in London asking what is the species name, and it turned out to be an undescribed species. It took another 20 years before it was eventually described as Leptosteatus speciosus. It means the pretty one. It's a iridescent blue, and it's really pretty. And it's also an example of what you find, that the life emerges when it's wet in the Namib. They are of this particular group of beetles, these weevils, the broad-nosed weevil. There's 9 species that you find here in the central Namib, about 39 species altogether in southern Africa. The whole genus is restricted to southern Africa, of which, as I say, 9 of them are found in the desert. Now, they are quite interesting because after the rain they emerge, they mate, they feed a little bit on the leaves, and they lay eggs, and then they die. We don't know anything about them. We suspect that the larvae is living off the roots of these Stipagrostis umbilicular grasses that you find in the dunes, these perennial grasses in the dunes. It has been observed that you find adults clinging to the roots of grasses before the rain. A friend of mine, Oliver Wolsey, saw that, and somebody else noticed that the females can lay up to about 150 eggs, laying them at the roots of grasses. So that's about all that we know of it. A lovely project for somebody to look at. And there's this fantastic blue shiny color. Speciosus means it's a pretty one.